bahay dito guys. Oh. As you can see, it's really amazing houses. It's look like no people yet. This is for the private housing. Ito yung mall. Maraming bata doon. Marami din pala magandang bahay dito. There are a lot of beautiful places. China-born school. That is school. China-born school. Ito yung pinasukan ko yata kanina ba? Ay, oo. Dito ako pumasok kanina pala. Iba yung linabasan ko. Beautiful houses! Thank you very much guys for watching. I love you guys.